Next point, duration of bond. What is duration of bond? So the duration is a weighted average time in which investor get back the promised principal and yield ITM within this average win. What is it? I having a bond value of 1 lakhs for 5 months. So the 5 months, the interest rate is around 7 to 5%. So what is the this is the duration of about 5 months. So though 5 months, 5% interest, what I getting up? The coupon bearing bond always be duration, which is lesser than the maturity. And higher the coupon rate, lesser it would be return. Lesser would be the duration. So the coupon rate is high, always the duration will be less. It's a universal truth because nobody want to pay you high. So everyone want to pay you less. So coupon rate is higher, no? Always duration is less. When the coupon rate is low, the duration is high. So this is the secret behind the duration of bond.